Doshagati in relation with Panchakarma. Contents are Doshagati, Koshatushaka and vice versa. 5 causes responsible for dosha movement, Vriddhi of doshas, dose, Vishyandana, Paka and role of Svedana, Stroto Mukha Vishodhana and Nigrahana of Vata, and Snigdha Guna. Doshagati, Koshatushaka, reference Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana. These are the factors that are responsible for Doshagati from Koshta to Shaka. Doshagati from Shaka to Koshta, reference Charaka Samhita. Factors responsible for reverse movement of doshas are Vriddhi of doshas, Vishyandana, Paka, Strotomukha Vishodhana and Nigrahana of Vata. Key principle of dosha Vriddhi: Vishyandana of doshas, Tikshna Guna of Svedana and role of Svedana in Paka and Shodhana. Key points for Strotomukta Vishodhana and Nigrahana of Vata. Snigdha Guna in Sneha and Svedana Karma. Snigdha Guna does the Kledana Karma. Drava Guna of Sneha also helps in Kledana Karma. Ushna and Tikshna Guna of the Svedana transform doshas in Drava form. Thank you.